But Peabody is in her 40s, so she's about middle age for an Amazon parrot. And she spent a lot of time during her life listening to the radio. It's a radio crowd, so I'm not sure if anyone will know this song, but she does do a pretty good rendition of a Tony Bennett classic. Trying to clear your throat, and you're singing. So we're having a lot of fun up here with this laughing, talking, singing parrot. But I don't want you to go home and think that if you walked into a pet store, this is what you would walk out with. What I can guarantee you would walk out with is a bird that screams incredibly loud and keeps your ear off the back there. A bird that fights incredibly hard and chews through your furniture, and one that sleeps every 15 minutes. Right from the bird herself. These birds might seem bad, or these behaviors might seem bad and silly to us, but they're really helpful to these birds out in the wild. Being able to scream really loudly allows them to maintain contact with their family groups. Being able to bite and chew things allows them to open nests and make their nests. And even pooping every 15 minutes helps to fertilize the forest floor. So I very much appreciate her doing that job out in the wild. And I don't think I'd really want one in my home. If you are thinking about keeping one in your home, though, I will leave you with one final fact. These birds can live to be 60 to 80 years old, and they have the intelligence of a human squeal. So all of my parents and caregivers and teachers out there, you can imagine the terrible twos for the rest of your life, and they can fly. That's exactly what I want. Isn't that funny, Peabody? Okay, well, Peabody, like any toddler, is getting ready for her mid-afternoon nap. But we have come to her absolutely favorite part of the show, where she gets to say goodbye to each and every one of you. And this was it for the big audience. So why don't we get started? You want to say bye over there? Bye. Bye over here. Bye right there. Up there. Bye down here. All my friends right here. Bye in the middle. Bye over on this side. Bye all the way over here. Bye.